What's up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's absolutely Frosty, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to install Windows 7 in VirtualBox. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's open up VirtualBox. Oops. Okay. So if you don't have VirtualBox installed already, then you will then you will not. Well, actually, if you have VirtualBox installed, then you have a bunch of virtual machines. Then you will see all of these. And if you don't have VirtualBox installed, then you go and install it over here. This will all be blank. And I've already installed Windows Server 2012 R2 and Windows 7, but I'll do Windows 7 again. Let's go and jump in. So let's go and create a new virtual machine. Call it Windows 7. And over here, this should change automatically. You can choose if you want it to be 64-bit or 32-bit. 32-bit is the Windows 7 with no 64-bit next to the name. But this is pretty much what you're gonna do. I'm gonna do 32-bit because it's just gonna run really smoothly. Oh, I already have. Okay. So since I already have one Windows 7, I'm gonna put a second one. So I just renamed this. So let's click on next. Select the amount of RAM. I'll put mine about 1 gigabyte for 32-bit. 64-bit will be a minimum of 2 gigabytes. But for 32, the minimum is 512, or I think you can even go lower than that, but you know, I'll give it 1 gigabyte, which is a pretty decent amount of RAM. Let's click next. Create a virtual hard drive. VDI is fine. Dynamically located. 25 gigabytes, you know, it's okay for this demonstration, but you can go up to 2 terabytes. Let's create that. Okay. So now that that's there, you're gonna want to go and, well, what I have to do, I have to go and unlock my hard drive, which has my .iso file. So let me just put in my password. Okay. ISO, OS, Windows 7, all 32-bit. Okay, that's the ISO that I want. So let's go and start this. Now it's going to ask you, well, where is your ISO? So you have to go and navigate to that ISO. Mine is in my secondary hard drive. ISO, OS, Windows 7, all 32-bit. And there we go, that's my ISO. Start. And okay, now it's booting up. So now it's just a matter of waiting for the OS to boot up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pause this video, and I'll come back when it's all booted up. Okay, I'm back now. So this is what it will look like once it's booted up. So select your language, time and currency format, and the keyboard. Let's select next. Install now. And it's going to say setup is starting. It'll probably say that for about 10, 15 seconds, maybe even less. So let's just wait for this to load. Now for me, I have a modified ISO because I modified it so I can install Windows 7 Starter, Home Basic, Home Premium, Professional, and Ultimate. I will make a video later on how to unlock all these features out of one ISO. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna do Ultimate. Why not? Select next. I accept the terms. Next. Custom. Go to Custom. Drive options advanced. Make a new partition for this hard drive. Okay, it's gonna create it. Let's just wait for that to go. And should be done soon. Okay. Select your partition that's 25 gigabytes or whatever size you made it. Click next, and you can see now it's going to start to install. This is going to take up to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on your computer speed. For me, it takes about 15 minutes, and I will come back to you when the installation is complete. So see you in about 2 seconds for you. So I'm back, but this is not what you will see once it but after it's finished setting up. It'll reboot automatically. I just wasn't paying attention to my computer, so I missed the whole reboot, but this is what you will see, and this is an important part. So you have to give your computer a name. So let's say I'll call this Windows 7 test. Yeah, so that's gonna be the username. Then it's gonna give it a computer name. It's gonna put a -PC at the end. That's okay. You can hit next. You can put in a password, but I don't really need one. Click next. Okay. Loading. Oh, there we go. This is where you would put in your product key if you have one. But this is a trial, so I'm not gonna put any product key in. Here's where you can use recommended settings, install important updates, and ask me later. I think I'll put in important updates only. Set your time zone. And click next. Select your home network, your network. It'll be, I think this will show up, and so let's just do home. So you're gonna see this thing says connecting to your network and applying settings. So it's just gonna go through like that for a few seconds, I think up to a minute. So I'll come back to you once it's done. We are being greeted by the welcome thing with the spinning ring. It's not preparing my desktop. So we'll just let that load. Shouldn't be too long, and you should be presented with the desktop sooner or later. What's this thing? Does its thing. I'll just pause it because I don't want to make you guys waste some of your time. Okay, and we are back. So this is what it will look like. It's a full functional version of Windows 7. Works very well. And really that's pretty much it for this video. You can change your resolution. I'm not gonna tell you how, because I mean I think I already made a video for that. But so yeah, so you can change your resolution to make it fit your screen, and yeah. And I think that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And have a great day.